When you search for Xbox Series X wall mounts, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Total Mount Wall Mount for Xbox Series S. Let's kick things off with the Total Mount Wall Mount for Xbox Series S, priced at $22.99. What caught my attention is its sleek design and the fact that it's from Total Mount, a brand known for quality. If you want an easy way to keep your Xbox Series S secure and off your entertainment center, this is worth a serious look. This mount is designed specifically for the Xbox Series S, and it's super easy to install. You only need a screwdriver, and the built-in level ensures it hangs straight. It has ventilation channels to keep your console cool, which is crucial during long gaming sessions. Plus, it's compatible with future Series S models, so you're covered for years to come. With a remarkable 4.8-star rating from over 2,200 reviews, people appreciate the reliability this mount offers. Now here's the thing, some users mentioned it can feel a bit flimsy if not secured properly. But honestly, as long as you follow the installation instructions, it holds up just fine. It's not meant for the Series X though, so keep that in mind if you have that model. This is perfect for you if you own an Xbox Series S and are looking for a simple, affordable mount. Skip this one if you need a mount for the Series X or if you're looking for something more heavy-duty. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the installation concerns you, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach with its added security features. Product number 2, Total Mount Wall Mount for Xbox Series X. Next up is the Total Mount Wall Mount for Xbox Series X, retailing at $34.99. This caught my eye because it includes not just the mount but also 3 controller holders and a cable manager. If you want to ensure that your Xbox Series X stays put while looking neat, this is definitely worth a serious look. This mount features all-side security that prevents your console from falling, which is huge if you have pets or kids around. It also allows unobstructed access to all ports, making it easy to connect memory cards and cables. With a weight capacity of 75 pounds, you can rest assured that it's sturdy enough to hold your Xbox securely. Plus, it's designed for optimal airflow, preventing overheating during those marathon gaming sessions. With a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from over 550 reviews, it's clear that buyers appreciate its quality. Now, some folks mention the installation can be a bit tricky due to the security features. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up correctly, it's rock solid. So if you're not super handy, you might want to have someone help you out. This is perfect for you if you have an Xbox Series X and want a reliable mount that keeps everything organized. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler or less expensive. Given the added features, it's definitely worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility. Product number 3. ZAONOOL Wall Mount for Xbox Series X. Coming in at number 3 is the ZAONOOL Wall Mount for Xbox Series X, priced at $24.99. What stood out to me is its dual ventilation design and detachable accessories. If you're looking for a mount that maximizes space while keeping your console cool, this is worth a serious look. This wall mount has 24 small ventilation holes and 5 large ones, allowing heat to escape easily, which is crucial for maintaining optimal performance during long gaming sessions. Plus, it can be installed on either side or behind your TV, helping you keep your gaming area tidy. The included detachable controller holders and headset hook are a nice touch, making it easy to keep everything organized. With a solid 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clear that gamers appreciate its functionality. However, some users noted that the mount could wobble if not properly secured. Here's the thing, as long as you ensure it's attached firmly to the wall, it should be stable. Just make sure you follow the installation guide closely. This is perfect for you if you have limited space and need an efficient way to store your Xbox and accessories. Skip this one if you want a more traditional mount or if you're not willing to spend a little time on setup. For the price, you get a lot of value out of this one. Now, if you're looking for something a little stronger, the next one has a heavy-duty design that might catch your attention. Product number 4. Gizmimic Wall Mount for Xbox Series X. Next up is the Gizmimic Wall Mount for Xbox Series X, available for $22.99. What caught my attention is its heavy-duty metal build and ventilated base. If you want something sturdy that keeps your console cool, this is worth considering. This mount is designed specifically for the Xbox Series X and can support up to 30 pounds thanks to its metal construction. The open grid base promotes airflow, reducing overheating risks when gaming for hours. Plus, it includes silicone pads to protect your console from scratches. With a great rating of 4.8 stars from over 200 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among gamers who value durability. One downside some users pointed out is that it can be a bit tricky to install if you're not familiar with wall mounts. But honestly, the included instructions are straightforward, and once it's up, it feels incredibly secure. This is perfect for you if you want a solid metal mount that prioritizes cooling. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or if you want additional features like controller holders. For the price, it offers great quality and peace of mind. Now, if you're after something a bit more stylish and versatile, the final product on our list might just strike the right chord. Product number 5. VIVO Steel Wall Mount for Xbox Series X. Finally, we have the VIVO Steel Wall Mount for Xbox Series X, priced at $24.99. I was drawn to its sleek design and the option to display your console either vertically or horizontally. If you're looking for style and functionality, this is definitely worth checking out. The steel construction supports up to 17.6 pounds, keeping your Xbox safe and secure. The open design allows for optimal cooling and easy access to all ports, so you can plug in what you need without hassle. With an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 700 reviews, users are clearly satisfied with its performance. However, some reviews mention that it's a bit less sturdy compared to heavier-duty mounts. Here's the thing, it's designed for aesthetics as well. So while it may not be the sturdiest, it does offer a great balance between style and function. Just make sure you mount it properly. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, compact way to display your Xbox Series X. Skip this one if you need something ultra heavy duty or if you have a lot of accessories to store. Given its stylish design, it's a solid value for the price. To wrap it up, we covered 5 great options for wall mounting your Xbox Series X. The total mount options offer security and ease of use, while the ZAONOOL provides versatility and cooling. The Gizmimic is all about durability, and the VIVO adds a touch of style. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a wall mount here that fits your gaming setup.